How to track Milestone Credit Card. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Milestone offers you a couple ways to track your Milestone Credit Card activity. One of that is online. Firstly, log in into your Milestone account on their website. Once logged in, you can see your account dashboard displaying your current balance, minimum payment due, recent transactions, and potentially credit limit information. You can navigate to a statement or transaction history section to view detailed past transaction categorized by date, merchant, and amount. If you have yourself a mobile application, you can easily track through it as well. For it, install your Milestone Gold Mastercard application. Log in into your account. Then, the app should provide you features to check your balance, reset transaction, and potential make payments as well. And that is how you can track your Milestone credit card. And that's the end of the video as well. We hope you found this informative to you.